So let's take a look at this question, which is very typical of the SAT, where it's so confusing and it's all in the way that it's worded. Oh my goodness, there's this AY thing going on here that we're not used to seeing. We're told that the slope is 3/4, and we have to figure out the value of A. Now, when in doubt, solve for Y. Put it in Y equals mx plus B form. That's, you're not going to go wrong by doing that. It may not always work, but I think it's going to work a lot of the time. So when we look at this, I would say, okay, I want this to be y equals. So I need to move the 3x and the 12 over. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides and get, that's 0. So negative ay plus 12 equals negative 3x. Now I'm going to move the 12. So I want to subtract 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So I have negative ay equals negative 3x minus 12. Okay, I'm still not at y equals. I need to get rid of negative a, and that's multiplied by y. So I'm going to divide by negative a so that that cancels, or, divides to equal 1. So if I divide by that on the left side, I need to divide everything on the right side by that. So negative divided by positive gives me negative divided by negative gives me a positive, right? So I really have 3x over a. And then negative divided by negative is a positive again, 12 over a. Okay, still confusing looking, still, I'm not sure. But I've got y equals something x plus b. And I know that that m is the slope, right? And the slope is supposed to be 3/4. So let's take a look at that. If this slope is supposed to be 3/4, this should really say 3/4 x. If a was 4, we would have 3/4 x. We would have the slope that we're supposed to have. The answer to this question is that the value of a is 4. That is one way to do this, not the only way, but it works. And I think it's the simplest of any of the choices. So I hope that helps you.